Good day, ma'am. I'm Dinskel Ketchup tbsp, and today I will be making fish escabeche. These are the ingredients: 1 whole tilapia, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/3 cup vinegar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch dissolved in 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup red bell pepper, 1/2 cup green bell pepper, 1/2 cup carrots, 1/4 cup ginger, 1 onion, 3 cloves garlic, 1/2 cup cooking oil, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 teaspoon salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons ketchup. Season fish with salt. Oil in a frying pan, and once it's hot, fry fish one side of at a time until golden brown. Remove fish from the pan and place it in a serving plate. In a saucepan, saute garlic, ginger, and onion and 2 tablespoons oil. Add carrot and bell pepper. Add salt and pepper to taste. Let it simmer until sauce thickens while stirring occasionally. Pour sauce into the fried fish and serve.